In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable crisp live chat notifications. If you handle customer conversations in crisp, getting timely alerts is the difference between responding right away and missing a message. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what each option does so your inbox stays quiet and your customers stay happy. First, open your browser and head to app.crisp.chat. Log into your Crisp workspace as you normally would. Once you're in, look down to the bottom left corner of the interface. You'll see your profile photo or initials there. Click that profile area to open your account menu. From this menu, choose Settings. Inside Settings, look for the Notifications section. This is where you control how Crisp lets you know about new chats and updates. We'll turn on a few key options to make sure you never miss an important message. Start with Desktop Notifications. Toggle this on. The first time you enable it, your browser may ask for permission to show notifications. Click Allow so banners can appear on your screen when a new message arrives. If you don't see a prompt, check that your operating system isn't blocking alerts. On both Windows and macOS, system-level notification settings can mute app banners, so make sure notifications are enabled for your browser there as well. Keep in mind, desktop notifications work best when the Crisp tab is open and you're logged in, even if it's in the background. Next, enable sound alerts. This adds a quick audio cue whenever a new chat comes in. It's especially helpful if you're multitasking or have multiple tabs open. Make sure your device's volume isn't muted and your output is set to the right speakers or headphones. If you're in a shared space, consider a moderate volume so you get a subtle nudge without disturbing others. Finally, turn on email notifications if you'd like an extra safety net. This is optional, but it's great when you're away from your desk or your browser is closed. Crisp will send updates to your inbox so you can stay informed. If you choose this, keep an eye on your spam or promotions folder the first time, and make sure you recognize the sender so future alerts land where you'll see them. That's all there is to it. With desktop notifications, sound alerts, and optional email notifications enabled, you'll have a reliable system for catching every new message. Keep your browser signed in, avoid Do Not Disturb modes when you need to be reachable, and you'll be ready to respond quickly every time a customer reaches out.